Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Hello friends! For today's card design, I've chosen to feature this brand new bundle called Quite Curvy. Here's the stamp set and die, and of course with any new bundle from that Stampin' Up! Comes out with, it's 10% off. Now, I mentioned this in Monday's video that I've created an online class featuring this bundle, but I had so much fun with it, I created a whole other class using the Curvy Christmas stamp set. So I decided to put all 6 card designs together and have a twofer online class. Stampin' Up! Is also offering a variety bundle that includes the 2 stamp sets, the dies, a pack of 6x6 DSP called Classic Christmas, and you can get this whole entire variety bundle 10% off as well. So my twofer online class is only the cost of the bundle, but there is an option on the online class registration page to choose the discounted variety bundle instead. The link is in the description bar below if you're interested. Moving on to today's card, you can see I have my Stamparatus out here, and I've cut out, die cut the leaves out of one rectangular piece of cardstock. This is Whisper White thick actually. So I just washi taped it into my Stamparatus. I did not use the magnets because I don't necessarily trust them for this particular technique. But you can see that I have puzzle pieced the die cut back inside the negative piece, if you will. So I set up my Stamparatus with my stamp, and I sort of put the stamp in the hole that would be where the die cut goes, and then I closed the door, picked up the stamp, and then now once everything is in perfect alignment and it's not hard to do, I can really stamp a crazy amount of these leaf dies, and this will work with any die that you have cut out, or die cut I should say, that has a stamp to go with it. So just a little quick tip on how to use the Stamparatus. Now for the coloring of my leaves, I used Just Jade Light, Granny Green Light, and Shaded Spruce Dark. Isn't that awesome that you just have to waft your blends across the page and you get them nicely colored? Or is that just editing mastery? All right, I put dimensionals behind the back of that bunch of leaves. And this is the Classic Christmas Designer Series paper. I didn't bother to die cut this at all because it's going to be covered. So I just sort of used my scissors and trimmed it out so that I could plunk it on the Whisper White thick card base. And then I don't have the dimensional adhesive backing removed yet. I'm just going to use that as a placement, sort of to where I'm going to put the sentiment that says "Made with Love, Just for You." I think I should send this to my mom, actually. I think she would really like it. All right, now that I have stamped with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, I took the release paper off of my dimensional adhesive, and my leaves are now stuck for all eternity. With this is soft sea foam cardstock. I die cut out some of the extra leaf things, fronds, if you will, and then I just sort of tapped them with my Shaded Spruce dauber. I now am taking a little bit of a glue dot and sticking it underneath and then tucking it under the leaves that I had colored with my blends markers. I've cut a piece off and I made a shorter piece, and then the third piece was a little bit trimmed as well. and put on the left side of the card. Now, I don't remember the colors that I used, or maybe I do. Mango Melody and Daffodil Delight for the yellow birdies, and Magenta Madness and Flirty Flamingo for the belly of the bird, the pink bird. And then I put Peacock on their wings because I thought it was apt. 2 went on dimensionals, and this one is going on a glue dot. I use my handy dandy bone folder to close the card, and I am using my Wink of Stella to get all of the leaves that I colored, including the shaded spruce sponged soft sea foam die cut pieces. And that, my friends, is today's video. Thanks so much for joining me. Click the link below to get information on the online class that I'm doing, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.